Hello students, today I am here with a new topic, the land of ice and snow. We are going to learn about Greenland in this series. The regions around the North Pole and the South Pole are the polar regions. There is Arctic Ocean around the North Pole and Antarctica continent around the South Pole. Arctic Ocean is surrounded by Asia, Europe and North America. The region remains cold throughout the year. Greenland, the largest island in the world, is located in this region. I am going to discuss with you the location of Greenland. Greenland is a member country of Kingdom of Denmark. Nuuk is the capital of Greenland. It is located in east of the Canadian Arctic archipelago between the Arctic and Atlantic Ocean. The nearest countries of Greenland are Iceland and Canada. Greenland is the world's largest island and is the largest dependent territory by area in the world. It also contains the world's largest national park. All towns and settlements of Greenland are situated along the ice-free coast. Population is mainly concentrated along the western coast. The northeastern part of Greenland, which includes sections of North Greenland, is not a part of any municipality, but is the site of the world's largest national park, Northeast Greenland National Park. A major part of this island is under permanent ice and is located in the Arctic region. This is a part of the tundra region. As we reach near Greenland, we see big blocks of ice floating in water. These are known as the icebergs. Now, I am going to discuss about the climate and vegetation of Greenland. The climate of Greenland is called polar climate. It remains very cold throughout the year. There is very little rainfall. The temperature is always below 0 degrees Celsius. During winter, one may not see the sun for several months. There is heavy snowfall. Cold polar winds blow at a speed of about 160 km per hour. In summers, it is bright and sunny. The sun shines brightly all the 24 hours parts, but the temperature do not exceed 10 degrees Celsius. In the coastal areas, the snow melts for a short period. It is not possible to grow plants due to very cold climate and thick cover of snow. Due to the very short sun, only short grasses and lichen can grow in this part. The main activity is hunting and fishing. Sledges pulled by huskies are used for transportation. Now, the life of the people in Greenland. Eskimos are the native people of Greenland. They have learned to live in extreme climate. Their clothes, such as coats and trousers, are made of animal fur. Hood-lined jackets with fur are worn by men, women, and children. Such jackets are called parka. They wear long leather boots. They keep their heads covered. Men, women, and children wear the same types of dresses. The Eskimos do not live in permanent houses. During the winter season, they build igloos with the ice blocks. The igloo is a dome-shaped house. There is a small hole at the top. Smoke or hot air can pass through it. A tunnel is built to enter the igloo. One has to crawl to enter in it. The fur skin is spread out on the floor. The Eskimos are skilled hunters. Harpoon is their main weapon. It is a spear with a long leather rope. It is used in hunting seals, walruses, and big fishes. normally holes in the ice and wait near it for the fish or seals to come. Eskimos kill them with harpoons. The Eskimos' boat is called kayak. It is used for hunting sea animals. They are good swimmers. They use sledges pulled by huskies to transport their big and heavy hunt. Huskies are wolf-like dogs. During the short summer season, they live in tents and rear reindeers. The entire life of Eskimos is dependent upon animals. Students, now I am going to discuss the economy of the country. Greenland today is critically dependent on fishing and fish exports. The shrimp fishing industry is by far the largest income earner. Numerous mineral prospectors are growing increasingly. These include aluminium, nickel, platinum, tungsten, and copper. The country holds contests to attract tourists such as dog racing, ice fishing, hiking, and cross-country racing. And communication of the country. The lifestyle of Eskimos is changing now. Many of them have shifted to small towns and live in wooden houses. They use rifles for hunting. In place of kayaks, motorboats have been made available. Eskimos today use motorized sledges called skidoo for transport. They use motorboats for fishing. Nowadays, there are good roads and good network of communication. Schools, colleges, and hospitals have been opened. Many small towns have been built in coastal areas. Nuuk is the biggest town. It is connected with Europe and North America by air services. Culture and sports of Greenland. The culture of Greenland has much in common with tradition, as the majority of people are descended from Inuit. People still go for ice fishing, and there are annual dog sledge races in which everyone with a team participates. Nevertheless, for some time now, fishing by traditional methods has been increasingly replaced by the use of firearms and modern technology. Eskimos today. Eskimos' life is much different now. Most of the people live in small settlements. They wear modern clothing, living in modern houses, and eat food purchased from stores. Instead of kayaks and dog sledges, they use motorboats and snowmobiles. Many have renounced the native religion for Christianity. So, students, in this session, I discuss the lifestyle of the people of Greenland, their culture, and how do they survive in extreme climatic conditions. Hope you enjoyed the session. Thank you for watching the video. Goodbye.